Welcome to this technical guide on the ASUS G513IH. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Now, let's talk about the issue at hand. If you're experiencing a factory fault with your ASUS G513IH and it needs to be collected, you're not alone. This type of fault usually arises from manufacturing defects that can affect the device's performance. If ignored, these faults can lead to more severe damage, potentially resulting in a complete failure of the device. To address this, we will need a few tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and a replacement component for the faulty part. With everything ready, let's dive into the step-by-step repair process. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by carefully using the plastic opening tool to pry open the back cover of the ASUS G513IH. Take your time and be gentle to avoid damaging the casing. Once open, locate the faulty component, which is typically situated near the battery or motherboard. You'll need to unscrew the screws holding it in place, using your Phillips screwdriver. Remember to keep track of these screws, as they can be small and easy to lose. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Next, gently disconnect any cables attached to the faulty component. Be cautious here, as the cables can be fragile. Once everything is disconnected, you can carefully extract the faulty component. Take your new replacement part and position it correctly, ensuring that all connectors align properly. Reconnect the cables and secure the component with the screws you previously removed. As you put the device back together, double-check that no cables are pinched and that everything fits snugly. Finally, replace the back cover, pressing down firmly to ensure it clicks back into place. After reassembling, power on the ASUS G513IH to verify that everything is functioning correctly. If you followed these steps, your device should be back in action. To prevent this issue from recurring, keep your laptop in a cool, dry environment, and avoid any physical damage by using a protective case. Regularly check for updates and perform maintenance to keep your device in top shape. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.